Just keep rocking and rolling. That's all I can do is keep rocking and rolling. Here come another one. This a good one. This should be a good one for a short. If I can hurry up and get the camera. This should be a good one. All right, that should be a good one. That should have been a good one. But yeah, this is what I do. Come out here in the morning, man, and just get it. Just get it, man. This is good content, good free content. And that's about it, man. Hoping y'all enjoying this video. Remember, click subscribe to this channel. Click and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so very much. Let me throw this on YouTube right quick. So I probably did, what, about 20 planes so far. It ain't even an hour yet. It's 45 minutes into the hour. Let me throw this on YouTube right quick. Throw that on YouTube. YouTube short. Description. I love this camera. I love that camera. Let me see how far I can go. You can turn all the way around, huh? Yep. Go another one. Let me get this one. I probably did already. I probably did about 20 already, huh? Woo, man, it is not easy. The sun is getting to me, boy. For real, that sun is getting to me. But I do it for you. But I did it for you. But I did it for you. It's like, man, don't let nobody discourage you from doing whatever you're doing. Especially like this YouTube or TikTok or just social media in general. Man, if you want to put up cats fighting or ants crawling, put it up. Put it up. That's what you doing. That's what you like to do. Don't never let nobody discourage you from doing what you want to do. Never, ever. You gotta live your life. And live your life for you. not nobody else. Live your life for you. Be the best version of you. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So that's 10. Put 10 videos up, short videos. Time is it? 8:49. See, that's how quick it is. My job is almost done for this airplane portion of my YouTube. My job is almost done. I got basically 10 minutes and my job is done on the airplane portion of YouTube with Shannon Logan of airplane spotting. Then I'm gonna go home. I'll probably do about 5 at the crib. Just depends on how I feel, man, because I finna go lay down after this. This sun that made me weak. People can say, hey, man, that's crazy, but hey, man, it is what it is, man. Great free content. I would do a food channel, but shit, you gotta have money. Shit, yeah, you gotta have money. I got money, I got a job and all, but still though, man, that's a lot of money. That's like when I try to do shoes, I try to, do a YouTube channel about buying shoes, man, shit, that shit broke me. That shit broke me, man. Plus, I wasn't going no damn where to wear the shoes. I should have did the review and took the shoe back the same day or the next day. That's what I should have did. I got 10 more minutes, man. I got to get out this sun. I think the rest of these videos gonna be, I'm just gonna point it to you. I'm just gonna point this camera to whatever comes, Whatever comes. See how many can come in 10 minutes. Whew, man. Like I said, this portion of my work is almost over with. This portion of my YouTube airplanes portion is almost over with. It's like a job, man. I got to get more consistent about it. I got to put up more things that I'm doing or whatever. Even if I'm driving, I need to put up that I'm driving. It's something. It's something. It's something. So I'm finna go home, upload this video, try to come up with some kind of form of a title. I guess the title can be in Chattanooga, Tennessee, spotting airplanes. That's a good one. In Chattanooga, Wait, hold up. Yeah, in Chattanooga, Tennessee, spotting airplanes. That sound good, don't it? Sound like a good title. It's good. It's a good title, I believe. Let's see if we can get a couple of more. Well, they probably done for this hour. Man, this sun is bright on me today. But hey, I like the sunshine. It's better than sitting up here in the cold. Let's get one more and then we out of here. I'm gonna turn it. Cause y'all probably tired of looking at me. I'm gonna turn it. Let's get 1 or 2 more. I don't know, y'all. That might be it. I hope we get one more. Man, it'd be nice, man, to get one big one. Let's get one big one. Come on. Let's get one big one. Cause I done put on here 30 little bitty ones. Can we get one good big one? Watch when I leave, it's gonna be 1,000 big ones. Do I hear something? It might be the highway. I'm at 51 minutes since I've been taping. Let's tape for an hour. Let's tape for an hour. I'm gonna walk down. Just waiting now, just waiting. Been up here this long. Why not wait to make this video an hour? We say longer form content. Say it will push through the algorithm, hopefully. So that's what I'm just trying to give you. Just waiting. Oh, they done called the cops on me and said, man, we got some guy. We got some black guy over there filming. He's on the levee over there filming airplanes. I don't know if he's part of Al-Qaeda or what. I ain't a part of nothing. I'm part of myself. Stop right here. Here we go. I know you hear it. Here we go. Well, I thought I heard something. Oh, man. Damn, I thought I heard something. I think I heard. Dang. Man. Didn't hear nothing, I guess. That sounded like it was gonna be a big one. I guess it said, no, not today, Holmes. I got 5 more minutes. Can I get a plane, please? Well, I'm happy I didn't come this time. Cause boy, ain't nothing flying right now. Yeah, 3 minutes to an hour, so don't look like we're gonna get now. We've been waiting for about 10 minutes on something to happen. You walk on back. Maybe there's something come. Maybe something will come while we walking back. But I believe today was a good positive day. We got good content. Get a little bit of exercise in. I'm moving my body, making content and exercising at the same time. You know, I thought about doing like a little videos of exercises and stuff like that, but man, look, whatever my body look like right now, that's the way it's gonna look. Hate to tell you, it just is what it is. I should have did all that when I was in my 20s. But hey, it is what it is, man. Old girl like it, so it's all good. Man, I wish I could get one more. Hey, pisses me off. It pisses me off, man, that I can't get one more. Click and subscribe, please. Click and subscribe for more great content. It's about to be an hour, y'all. I made it an hour up here in the sunlight, turning into some bacon. Thank you so very much for everybody watching, clicking, and subscribing. tell the friend, tell the neighbor, I get at you. But I ain't gonna turn the camera off yet. Cause I think I'm gonna get one more. Let me get one more, please. Let me get one more. Can I get one more plane? Just one more. Before I hang it up.
Yeah, I don't know the specifics, but like
The world,
Something like that. What's your favorite?
the world going on. I can't get one more. Sometime it happen like that. But guess what? We got a whole lot of good content today. And it is what it is. I get at you. Peace. Remember this. Love yourself. Love yourself. And everything else gonna be okay. Believe that.